The very first CRISPR gene editing therapeutic was just approved for use in the US by the FDA. This is a therapy called Casgevy that will be used to treat sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is a devastating disease. Patients with the disease have a version of the hemoglobin gene that can cause these elongated or sickled cells. These can cause tissue damage, incredible pain. It is a really devastating disorder. What Casgevy does is it edits a patient's blood stem cells to be able to produce a functioning version of hemoglobin. But this editing doesn't happen in the patient's body. Doctors will first take blood stem cells from a patient. They will then send them to a lab, and that's where the editing will happen, outside of the patient's body. Those edited cells will then be infused back into the patient's body, but to do that, they're actually going to have to undergo chemotherapy first to sort of knock down their own bone marrow and blood stem cells to make room for the new edited ones. This treatment is going to require a long amount of time in the hospital, and it is going to cost millions of dollars. However, for the patients that do get it, it could be incredibly life-changing. But I think more broadly, this opens the door for new kinds of gene therapies.